If you're a Google Jamboard user, then there's been a big announcement by Google this week that's going to affect you. Google have announced they're shutting down Jamboard as of the end of next year. So you've got a year, but in October 24, all Jamboards will become read-only, and then by the end of 2024, the site is going to be taken down. So if you do use Google Jamboard, you're going to need to find alternative websites to use instead. That's a big pain, because I really like Jamboard. I think it's been a really cool site. It's not very flashy, it's not got a lot of tools, but it's quite good for throwing out a link and getting people to collaborate with you. So I use it a lot during Zoom sessions and online training sessions, where I can just get people to interact with each other very quickly and very easy without any sign up. Now Google are saying they're working with some alternatives. 3 that they're mentioning are FigJam, Lucid Spark and Miro Whiteboard. They're all looking pretty good. I'll do some videos soon which go through what those can do. They all have free educational versions and free educational licenses, which is pretty good. So if you are a teacher, you can use them for free. Also check out the free whiteboard equivalents that people like Smart do, so Smart Lumio, Promethean ClassFlow and ProWise Presenter. They're all free, you can use those. May not always have the collaboration tools, but at least they're free online whiteboards. I'll do a longer video with some more options and show you some examples of these tools later on, but just for now, go check out your Jamboards and start backing things up. Thanks for your time. Cheers, goodbye.